So, yep, again, hopefully, andyan pa rin kayo, nagsusubaybay dito sa Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. Dito na po tayo sa segment ni Ate Kini na walang iba, what we call Kini's Corner or KK Enhance. So, ang article po is from Workers to Change Makers. It's time to step up, Wairarapa Filipinos. So so I'll just read the article. So, just for the benefit of those first-time listeners, Kini's Corner is about our motivational segment. So, si Ate Kini is responsible of uplifting our ability to excel, both inside in our hearts, our characters, our culture, and then of course out din yung ating personality when it comes to facing different people. Right, so going back, the title is From Workers to Changemaker. It's time to step up, Wairarapa Filipinos. We Filipinos are known for our resilience, strong work ethic, and deep sense of family and community. Here in the Wairarapa, many of us have built lives rooted in hard work, such as nursing shifts, caregiving roles, construction, cleaning, horticulture, or hospitality. We came here for a better life, and we worked hard to earn our place. But maybe it's time we ask ourselves, what more can we become? It's time to take the next step, not just as workers, but as leaders, entrepreneurs, and active participants in the wider community. We have got what it takes, and now more than ever, our community is ready for more Filipinos to rise. From workers to business owners, many of us dream of owning a business, a food truck, a sari-sari store, a Filipino cafe, a cleaning company, or an online side hustle. These ideas are not impossible. They're just waiting for you to take action. Starting a business doesn't mean you have to risk everything. There are free workshops, business mentoring, and local support here in the Wairarapa that can guide you. You already have the skills. What you may need now is a confidence to try. Remember, every successful entrepreneur once stood where you are now, working hard, dreaming big, and finally taking that first step. We belong in the wider community. Many of us stay close to our Filipino circles, and that's completely understandable. But being active in the wider Wairarapa community, joining events, volunteering, being visible, can open doors not just for you, but for all Filipinos. We want our culture to be known and respected. We want our children to feel proud and accepted. That starts when we show up, speak up, and get involved. Or participating in multicultural events. Whether you are in your local school board, helping a community fair, or participating in multicultural events, your presence matter. The more we participate, the more we influence how our community is shaped. Filipinos are the second largest Asian group in New Zealand. It's time our presence in leadership, business, and local decision-making reflects that. You are not alone. There is a community here to support you. Of course, the Wairarapa Filipino Society, and another would be the Wairarapa Multicultural Council. Both organizations are working together to provide opportunities, mentorship, and a platform for our voices. Need help learning how to start a business? We can connect you with people who have done it. Want to know how to join local networks or council? We will also guide you. All we need is your interest, your yes. And from there, we can walk with you on the journey. The next chapter starts with you. You've already proven your strength through your work and sacrifice. Now imagine where the same strength could take you if you invested it in a dream of your own. Could you be the next Filipino business owner in town? the next leader in a local group, the next mentor for other kababayans. The opportunity is here. The support is here. And most importantly, you are here ready. So, Wairarapa Filipinos, let's not stop at being workers. Let's grow into change makers, role models, and builders of the future. Not just for ourselves, but for our families, our community, and the next generation of Filipinos in Aotearoa. The time is now. And the next step is yours. So, yan po yun. Article po natin, motivational article natin. I think it's about time for Filipinos to step up. So, luckily, to start, upcoming na po yung election ng Wairarapa Filipino Society. If you want to volunteer and become one of the leaders, please approach us, be nominated, and, support our community, using your own style of leadership and experience. Right. So, ano bang mga natin ngayon? So, apart from that, kasi in my interpretation, tayo kasi mga Pilipino, sanay na talaga tayo sa sa trabaho. Pero meron din ngayon nagfo-flourish na talaga. I see examples of that in when I visited the Wairarapa Filipino Intercity Sports Competition. Ang dami ng doon, mga Filipino business owners talaga. Mga legit, hindi lang yung mga yung mga pa kusina lang sa mga kaibigan lang. Talagang nagtitinda. They have food trucks, one of them na sikat na ngayon masyado is yung Don Ramon's Barbecue. So, sikat na talaga yung pangalan na yun. So, with regards to the specialty of Filipino barbecue na nagugustuhan din ng mga Kiwi. So, doon sa event na yun, even though majority ang kinikater, of course, yung mga spectators at saka participants ng Intercity, pero nagkataon din across the field at saka sa tabi ng mismong stadium, naglalaro din doon sa weekend yung netball na mga puti. At saka yung rugby, grassroots rugby across the field sa kabilang side. Pumupunta sila mismo doon sa food stalls. Doon na sila umu-order ng mga food nila rather than just the usual Pizza Hut or a dairy or to buy pies and stuff. Gusto nilang subukan and then they really liked it, yung mga Kiwis doon na natanong ko. They do love Filipino food. So, dito sa atin sa Wairarapa, particularly here in Masterton, na pinakamalaking town ng lalawigan natin, wala pang Filipino cafe dito. So, hopefully, isa sa inyo ang mag-uumpisa niyan. We'll never know. It will flourish. Kasi, sa totoo lang, marami na rin mga Pinoy. So, dito sa atin, pwede talaga maging mga patrons mo, regular patrons mo. So, and then, of course, yung mga kaibigan namin puti, siyempre, ipropromote ka talaga, natutulungan ka namin na mapalago mo yung negosyo mo. So, dito, alam ko may food truck, Pinoy food truck na tayo, si Ate Bella. So, hopefully, we will have more. Pero yung cafe, yung meron talagang pwesto in town, wala pa. So, kung ikaw yung mangunguna, talagang ipopromote ka namin to start that business right, with free marketing and everything. So, kung nag-iisip-isip na kayo ngayon, lalo na yung mga naging PR na, this is your opportunity now, especially with the climate that we have at the moment regarding business support. Grabe ang support sa mga business at the moment. So, this is your opportunity to shine, and become a change maker like what the article is saying. Right, so personal shout out galing kay Ate Kini. Of course, kahit ako, I will acknowledge, one of our avid followers na walang iba kundi yung workmate ni Ate Kini na si Grace Prado. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Ate Grace, for being our one of our avid followers of the Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. And then, of course, yung standard personal shoutout and Nikini in behalf. Walang iba for, of course, sa kanyang husband na si Leon and her 3 sons. Namely, si Julius or JB, si Christopher, at saka si Dominic. And then, of course, yung mga pamilya nila, yung mga partners nila, at saka mga children nila. So, yun lang po. So, we will pause for a break and then I will go back to that riddle once again.